Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a delicious keto french fries. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious keto french fries, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you put the notification on so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. All right, and I want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So let's get started with our keto french fries. Enjoy guys. Hey guys, so today we'll be making some keto french fries. So let me just show you my ingredients. So over here I have some guar gum, coconut flour, Parmesan cheese, some warm water, and over here I have some all-purpose seasoning and chili powder. So let's get started guys. So I just put my flour into the bowl. So now I'm going to pour in my guar gum. I'm also going to put in my all-purpose seasoning and chili powder. I'm also going to pour in some Parmesan cheese. I want my fries to have some flavor. So now you're going to mix everything. Make sure everything combined together. Just like this. So now guys, you're going to pour in your water. But you're going to pour it in a little bit at a time. Pour in 5 tablespoons first, and then you're going to mix it up. You're trying to form like a dough. Keep on mixing it here, just like this. So guys, I have been kneading it with my hands, just like this. So you're gonna do now, you're gonna form a ball. Just like this, and you're gonna let this rest for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna get a plastic wrap. So you're gonna take your plastic wrap guys, and you're gonna put it over and let this rest for about 15 minutes. So we'll be back. Alright guys, my dough has been resting for a couple of minutes. So I'm going to take off the plastic wrap here. And this is how it's looking here. So what I'm going to do now, I have a parchment paper. I'm going to put the dough into the parchment paper and press down. Then we're going to cover it. Over just like this, and then take my rolling pin and I'm going to roll out my dough. See how it's looking so far. So what I'm doing, I'm going to just take off this part here. Just work it a little bit more. And this is the right size here. Hope you guys can see. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get a knife. So I got my knife. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just cut them into fine fries size. Be gentle with it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do the rest off camera and we'll be back. As you can see here guys, I finished cutting up all of the fries, so I'm gonna put some oil now into my pan and fry them and then you guys see. Alright guys, so my oil is on but it's not too hot, so I'm gonna just gently put the fries into the pot. Just like this. So we'll be back. We'll be back guys. So now guys, I'm gonna try and turn them over gently as possible. Just slightly turn them. So you can fry on the other side as well. Alright guys, give it a little shake. So when I finish frying all of them, I'll be back. So this batch of fries is all done. I'm going to take it out. Shake off the excess oil. And gently put it in the plate with paper towel. Shake, shake, shake. So these are the first batch of my fries. So I'm going to put in my second batch. Oops, this one break a little. Guys, to be honest, it smells like fries. It does. It smells like fries. Aiden, don't do that. Oh my gosh, this child. You gotta wait till it's fry, baby. Alright, so I'm putting in my second batch here. Aiden, how are you gonna eat raw flour? Don't do that. You gotta let it fry. Oh my god, this child. Alright guys, so we'll be back. This baby will leave these fries alone. Alright guys, so we'll be back. This baby will leave these fries alone. Alright guys, so we'll be back. This baby will leave these fries alone. This baby will leave these fries alone. Alright guys, so we'll be back. This baby will leave these fries alone. Alright guys, so we'll be back. This baby will leave these fries alone. Alright guys, so we'll be back. This baby will leave these fries alone. Alright guys, so we'll be back. This baby will leave these fries alone. Alright guys, so we'll be back. This baby will leave these fries alone. Alright guys, so we'll be back. This baby will leave these fries alone. Alright guys, so we'll be back. This baby will leave these fries alone. Alright guys, so we'll be back. This baby will leave these fries alone. Alright guys, so we'll be back. This baby will leave these fries alone. Alright guys, so we'll be back. This baby will leave these fries alone. Alright guys, so we'll be So guys, the fries are finished. So these are the fries here. My keto French fries. And I have some fish that I fried earlier. So I'm gonna taste the fries on camera and let you guys see. Alright guys, so this is the end results for my keto French fries here. And over here I have some ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise here. So I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. It's really good, guys. Really, really good. So I hope you guys try this recipe. And don't forget, all my measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. Alright, so, and these French fries I'm going to be eating with some fried fish. So in my next video I'll be showing you guys how I make my keto fried fish. Alright, so enjoy. Bye guys.